चलिए खैर आगे बढ़े, we have to conclude this now.
मेरी गुजारिश ये है कि denying party symbol, ये एक अलग बात, is going to disenfranchise millions of voters who want to vote for the candidates nominated by PTI.
ये आपने कह दी बात, हमने नोट कर ली. Next point.
The result, what is it that is before this honorable court? That is, objectives resolution article 2(1) is being violated.
देखिए अब एक बात आ जाएगी, do you deprive 850,000 of your memberships for the right of vote? You can't say कि मेरे लिए ये होगा स्टैंडर्ड और दूसरे के लिए ये होगा स्टैंडर्ड. स्टैंडर्ड हैज टू बी द सेम.
उसका इससे कोई ताल्लुक नहीं. यहाँ सिटीजन्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान इन मिलियंस में 5 करोड़ हो सकता है वोटर हमारे हो. आज बाय दिस एक्ट ऑफ ACP दे आर बीइंग डिप्राइव्ड ऑफ देयर राइट टू वोट व्हिच इज अ फंडामेंटल राइट अंडर आर्टिकल 7.
खान साहब ये बात हम कितनी दफा सुन चुके हैं ना.
ठीक है ना.
अब कोई
अब इसको
आगे बढ़ाए ना बात को.
इसको आर्टिकल 2A के तहत भी देखें ना.
हमने पढ़ा हुआ आर्टिकल
जनाब की. ठीक है, लेकिन मुझे भी पढ़ लेने.
हाँ पढ़े मगर टाइम की बात है फिर.
2A, the principles and provisions set out in the objectives resolution produced in the annex as hereby substantive part of the constitution and shall have effect accordingly. अब इसको annex पढ़ेंगे तो उसमें जो पहली चीज दी गई है वो chosen representative की बात की गई है. सर इसमें ये कहा है wherein the state wherein state shall exercise its powers and authority through the chosen representatives of the people. अगर एक political party जिसकी perhaps बहुत बड़ी following है उसको election से बाहर कर देंगे तो फिर उस state को कौन represent करेगा? chosen representative तो बहुत सारे फारिग हो गए. नतीजा क्या है ऐसे election का जिसमें एक popular party with following is deprived of contesting the election, participating in the election. It virtually deprives and deprives millions of vote of their follower.
Even ये million वाली बात हो गई ना. आगे बढ़ते हैं ना जी. अब ये हमने we've noted it many times.
It's against the principle of chosen representative. अब आखिरी बात मैं कहूँ sir, this is a fundamental principle of constitutional jurisprudence, that the Constitution is equally a legal and a political document.
Ji.
So no court, while interpreting the Constitution or its provisions, can ignore the political consequences of its decision. Court or quasi-judicial authority can ignore the political consequences of its decisions, which at times can come back to haunt that body. So therefore, ECP has to consider the consequence of its decision, what will be the political consequences, because political parties have political implications, and Article 17 is there to protect the political rights, and the most important right is the right of vote. So therefore, the entire political polity and the Constitution virtually would disenfranchise tens of millions of voters, which will render the election as and its results as without legitimacy and without credibility. So therefore, depriving citizens of the right of vote will have very, very serious consequences for the future of the country, and will have the assemblies elected without full representation of all the voters and all the political parties will render the election as not legitimate and not credible. So that is something which I'll appeal before this honorable court to see that these consequences should not follow, and this consequence is of a very serious nature, and I'll appeal before this honorable court that such decisions at times have implications running into years and years. Today, even today, some of the decisions taken by this honorable court, we quote them, that has really hurt our polity over the years. Even 70 years have passed since Maulid Muizzuddin's case, we keep talking about it. So therefore, every decision being made by the apex court has to see what will be its consequences. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Ji,